Hello, welcome to Drop 12. So last to the previous week I thought I have hit 4, so I wanted to cross check. So but वही होता है जब क्रॉस चेक करने जाते हैं तो वो मैच नहीं हो पाता. So last week I would grade around like 3.5 because there were few things that I like rescheduled my things when I came back in Ahmedabad like couple of months back. So I started my workout session in evening, but in Pune I used to do that workout session on the in the morning. So वो मुझे फिर से चेंज करके मॉर्निंग में डालना था. But I used to like currently जो book reading challenge type है per month one book, so it's going great. But वो मैं सुबह को read करता था, but now if I'm shifting my workout session in the morning, so वो फिर evening में आ जाएगा. तो it was all थोड़ा सा rescheduling चल रहा है. So last week I was not able to properly like read the book definitely. तो वो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा miss out हो गया और mismatch हो गया, तो timeline ऊपर नीचे हो गया. तो the like वो 4 जो hit होना चाहिए था वो हो नहीं पाया उसकी वजह. बट नॉट एन इशू. ये रिस्केड्यूलिंग इसलिए कर रहा हूँ ताकि आई इट इज़ लाइक मोर श्योर दैट इवेंचुअली आई हिट लाइक 4 इन द कमिंग वीक्स. सो आई वुड ग्रेड अराउंड 3.5, लाइक 3.75 भी नहीं हुआ, 3.5 वुड बी बेटर. सो दिस इज माई लास्ट वीक्स ग्रेडिंग लाइक 3.5. उसके लास्ट वीक आई थिंक शायद मैंने 4 हिट किया होगा, बट आई रहने देते उसके लिए. तो 3.5 फॉर द लास्ट वीक ग्रेडिंग. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू आवर स्टार्टअप अपडेट. सो इट्स गोइंग ग्रेट. लाइक जैसे बोला मैंने, हम लोग अभी डिजाइन फेज में है. We have done with the demo, so I think update would be like we have done with 50% of our designs, but still there is a lot of things remaining. So what we are trying to do is like in this coming week we would be trying to cover maximum of our design, so that maybe we would be able to test it out internally by May end, and from June onwards I would be able to share it with you guys. So देखते क्या होता है. like ये हफ्ते में डिजाइन उसका खत्म करेंगे. On other client side, like 2 weeks back when I told like उसके अंदर न्यू ऑब्जर्वेशंस थे और वी हैड न्यू थिंग्स टू बी वर्क अपॉन, तो वो हम लोग ने मेजरली उसके लिए जो 2 हफ्ता सेट किया था लाइक 14-15 डेज, सो वो अभी हो चुके हैं. सो वी आर रियली क्वाइट ऑन अ गुड पोजीशन, ऑन वी रियली हैव एन अपर हैंड. तो वहाँ पे वो सब कुछ सही चल रहा है, लाइक प्रॉपर मैनेज हो रहा है, टाइम टू टाइम हो रहा है, एंड वी आर क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल बैलेंसिंग इट आउट अगेन. सो वंस अगेन वी आर ऑन अ गुड ट्रैक, रियली बैलेंसिंग इट आउट बोथ ऑफ द थिंग्स. सो आई थिंक ये जो नेक्स्ट 1 वीक है उसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट हो जाएगा, लाइक ओवरऑल प्रोग्रेस हो जाएगा ऑन द बोथ साइड. सो एक बार ये दोनों स्टेबल हो जाएगा तो सही हो जाएगा. एंड इवन ऑन द क्लाइंट साइड लाइक वी आर लाइक मेजरली ये वीक में वी वुड बी एबल टू रियली कंप्लीट मेजर ऑफ द बिजनेस फंक्शनलिटीज. सो क्या होगा ना, फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट वीक ऑनवर्ड्स विल बी जस्ट वर्किंग ऑन विजुअल्स एंड एक्सपीरियंस साइड ऑफ इट. सो उसके बाद फिर थोड़ा और रिलैक्स हो जाएगा शायद. So this is our startup update. Overall we are quite good and confident, and yes, we are trying really hard to get it as fast as we can. So this is our startup update right now. So now coming to the important part of the video, that's the idea or the experiment. So I think by judging the title you might have already known, like couple of days back, if you guys are following me on Instagram, I posted a story like stories are the single greatest invention by the mankind. So personally my journey with story started way back before this YouTube thing or any of these Instagram videos or the stuff that I do. Earlier I used to do this kind of stuff where I used to share my perspective or the things that I learned or my thought processes or the stories that I hear from somewhere, and I used to copy paste and say it, like repeat it again. So I used to do this kind of things in my classroom. So that got me introduced with this stories. Like stories really create fundamentally a deep relation between like it's a dialogue at the end of the day, because an emotions get built, and due to that emotion a trust factors get created. So I found like this to be really amazing, and eventually as year passed on, telling stories or sharing my thought process really become a core part of me, and that has eventually really transpired into a product. So major goal is to really optimize the workflow of the creators, because like if I'm creating this content and if I'm not focusing on my stories or the quality of the content that I'm going to deliver, so it becomes at the end of the day useless. But I have to focus on starting from ideas or curation and how to create content, and later on I have to edit it, I have to like post it out, I have to research hashtags, or I have to write down the caption, analyze it, and a lot of things goes into the background process of it. So this whole workflow optimization thing is quite tedious, and as a creator, like a lot of my time really gets consumed in this. So the major goal has been to really optimize this whole process. So really like the stories have really helped us out, that telling stories is really important to a creator. So we really want to help the creators to like give them maximum amount of time, give them flexibility on the side of resources or monetary side, so that they really can focus on telling stories, and so that they can connect more better with our audience. And same thing implies with me what I'm doing with this content at the end of the day. So I think I would really take this opportunity like to take this particular idea or the challenge as like telling stories. So what I'm going to do is like coming forward from this Wednesday, I'll try this Wednesday. From this Wednesday, I'm not sure about it. From this Wednesday, I would really like to share our backstory so that you guys are really having a great context about us, who we guys are, how did we guys came up to this point, or what we are doing. So just like in this drops a second part of the, like it's divided into three parts. So jo beach wala part is the second part is dedicated to our startup. So consider that particular new series as dedicated to our product or our startup, but it's kind of a backstory towards like starting from way back from like November or the September of 2017. So उधर से लेके अभी तक की what was the story of all of this, so that it really creates an emotional connection between us together. So I think I would really like to take this as an experiment or a challenge, you can say. So I would really like to share our story with you guys and what is our thought process and how we are visualizing it and how our journey is going on with this, so that you guys can connect with us more better and on a more deeper level. So this is it. I think ये इस वीक का चैलेंज तो like stories matter, so like storytelling. And moving forward to update of the previous challenges, like जैसे मैंने earlier video में बताया, like book reading is not going good in this last week because वो I am trying to reschedule my whole day, तो थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे imbalance हो गया. But I feel I good, 2 दिन से सही हो रहा है फिर से. तो this coming week I would really able to get back to my book reading activity. And last week का जो challenge था, that was like social media. Like the social media is like a platform where we guys like creators like share this kind of content with its audience at the end of the day. तो goal ये है कि like वो platform को कैसे leverage कर सके. So I started as this as a small experiment where I took a challenge like daily कुछ तो भी मैं अपना thought process share करूँ. And I think eventually in last 7 days I shared I think 6 times. AI में भी किया and it was really great. Like thank you so much for those amazing questions. It was really fun at the end of the day and I hope I was able to answer few of your questions. So वो एक बहुत सही गया. And I posted few of my things on Instagram and few on Twitter और थोड़े बहुत post LinkedIn पे भी है. So I'm quite happy and I'm quite happy with how I'm balancing my time with the social media. So I think I would really like to continue that. फ्यूचर शॉट्स के ऊपर मैं थोड़ा सा काम कर रहा हूँ बट वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लमेटिक ही है, बट देखते कैसे जाता है बिकॉज वो थोड़ा बात के ऊपर फोकस है उसके ऊपर. सो दिस इज अपडेट ऑफ ऑल द प्रीवियस चैलेंजेस. सो आई थिंक ये वीडियो के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्टेक्स्ट आ गया है. सो होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड इट एंड मेक श्योर यू गाइज आर स्टेइंग सेफ एंड कीपिंग योर सेल्फ लाइक हेल्दी एंड लेट मी नो व्हाट इज योर स्टोरी. लाइक आई वुड रियली लाइक टू हियर what's your journey been or what you guys are currently working on, so that we can really connect on a more deeper level and we can collaborate maybe soon. So this is the video.